Hi, it's Graham here. So sometimes when it comes to bringing a new capability into a team, you've got to get them to actually experience using it themselves. PowerPoint presentations and demos can only go so far, and at C6 we believe that actually getting hands-on keyboard, interacting with a new capability, specifically AI, and how that can help you win in a simulated environment is the fastest path to helping teams identify how they're going to start using that capability going forward. So how do we do that inside the simulation itself? Well, the first thing that we do is we try to simulate the real world of information overload, vast amounts of data that is trapped in all sorts of different organizational silos. This is all about race information in the simulation itself. So here we're trying to give teams too much information, not all of which is useful, about the simulation and the race that they are currently competing in. This is at the race level, this is at the team level, and the sub-team level that I'm part of. Here you can see various articles from media outlets from years gone by, taking sort of case studies from other teams and how they're using AI. All fun and part of the simulation, but there are some real learnings there. And then finally, this idea of a data room. So here it's historical weather data looking back over the last 10 years. How has the weather been in this specific performance challenge historically? And by giving teams all of this information, what you actually see them experience is something called cognitive overload. In other words, there's just too much information for them to process. They might, as you can see on the bottom right here, actually reach out to other members of their team. We break them up and put them into silos on purpose so they can say, hey Jenny, do you have access to historical driver performance data? So there's an information sharing component there. But what's really important at C6 is giving them access to AI against this real performance challenge. So you can see here is what this participant did is ask Race AI, what is the best driver to use for session 2? Because that's relevant for me right now. I'm in session 2, as you can see just there. I've only got 9 minutes to make a decision. I need the best synthesized picture of all the information that we have as an organization so that I can make the best decision. And you can see here that Race AI, because it's built on its own specific language model and data set, you can see here that it talks about driver stamina, driver speed, and importantly, nighttime track conditions. So you're starting to get teams to think about AI as a member of the team, as a decision-making partner, as well as all of the other human beings that are in my team with their own access to that capability as well. So in a safe environment, they can practice using AI, that synthesized picture, and importantly make decisions. And at the end of each session, it's that debrief discussion, what went well, what can we improve? So over a one-day workshop, teams leave with a really accelerated view on how they're going to start using AI to win back in the business. I hope this is helpful. If you have any more questions, just reach out. Have a great day.